Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Pacific Northwest Prospecting. I just wanted to take a moment of your time today and show you a little box that my buddy Oscar got me for Christmas that I'm pretty excited about. He came over for a party, told me he had a gift for me. I didn't know what to expect and he handed me this box. It's got some beautiful little lock hinges on the front. When you lift it up, to my surprise, it's a beautiful little storage box for gold and other stuff. As you see, I've already put some Oregon sunstones in here, and it's got these nice little grooves for holding vials like this. These are some of my sunstones. What I really like about it is that it has these recesses for these bottles for holding stuff in, and it's actually got a second layer down below. I haven't had a chance to put any of my gold in here yet. I think I'm going to wait until I have a gun safe so I can keep my gold in here and fit this into my gun safe, because I'm keeping my gold in a small safe right now. But I'm pretty excited. This is an amazing box. I'm going to enjoy filling it up. Oscar said that the old guy he got it from said that if you fill this thing with gold, you can have a small vacation. Well, I agree. So, I want to start filling up this box. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the new year, and I'll see you soon. Bye.